What's up, crypto future community? What's going on, guys? Have a look at the market. Market's recovering very, very nicely from yesterday. Looking good, looking juicy. Told you guys, dollar cost average, when things are red, you will not regret it. A lot of people up on a lot of DCAing that they did yesterday. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look over at Uniswap. As you guys know, the SEC sent a Wells notice over to Uniswap, which basically is a letter stating an intent to sue. The SEC going after Uniswap now. Uniswap set to fight back. But let's have a look, guys. So with this announcement, Uniswap fell from $11.78 all the way down to $6.04 before recovering back to $7.41. Still a $4.42 billion market cap, $383 million in 24-hour trading volume. But it's having a nice recovery today, though, up 12.2%. Not a bad time to dollar cost average into Uniswap, guys, because at the end of the day, the SEC is going to lose. So that doesn't, they lose everything. It's not a shock or anything like that. But I digress nonetheless. Not a bad opportunity, guys, for those of you who feel like taking advantage of it. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of the story here, guys. As you can see, so Uniswap hikes transaction fees to fund legal defense against the SEC. Very, very not cool. In response to the SEC's announcement of looming lawsuit, Uniswap, a leading decentralized finance platform, has raised its transaction fees to accumulate funds for its legal defense. This strategic move by Uniswap is aimed at strengthening its position in what is shaping up to be a significant legal confrontation with the securities regulator. Uniswap's decision to jack up fees represents a proactive effort to address the anticipated financial strain of the lawsuit. What I'm wondering here, guys, is this going to affect the lawsuit? Is the SEC going to use the fact that that Uniswap is increasing their fees to fund their lawsuit? Is that going to play a part? Very interesting question, right? The fee increase, which jumped from 0.15% to 0.25% for certain transactions, is designed to support the platform's operating team and defray potential legal costs. Although some altcoins are exempt from this hike, the majority of Uniswap users will be affected. Blockwork research analyst Dan Smith suggests that users wishing to bypass these higher fees can opt for an aggregator service. Uniswap's determination to fight the lawsuit underscores the platform's commitment to its industry position despite the costly precedent by the Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the SEC. Meanwhile, Toncoin has seen a significant increase in its market value, reaching a peak of $23 billion and rising to a competitive spot among cryptocurrencies despite the general market downturn. Toncoin's value remains robust, trading at $1, short of its highest valuation and showing promising daily gains. Quick look over at Toncoin shows Toncoin's bullish trend is characterized by a steady ascent within the channel formation. Technical analysis suggests potential for a push towards the $7.50 mark, given the positive indicators from moving averages and the RSI. However, a fall below pivotal support levels could precipitate a sharp decline to $4.28 threshold. So, at first, guys, I was a little bit like Uniswap increasing their rates to fund their legal lawsuits. But then on the other hand, I thought, guys, listen, I was there through the entire Ripple lawsuit. I believe that the entire community needed to support Ripple. And whether you like it or you don't like it, we need to get behind and support Uniswap if we want to continue to see DeFi exist. Because right now, DeFi is under threat. Uniswap is fighting for its right to exist. So is Coinbase. We need to get behind these platforms. Love them, hate them, or be indifferent. This is for the greater good of all of us, guys. So hit the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Click the join button to become a member of the channel. Get microcap gem members only live streams on Sundays. Follow me on X. Join the Discord. You also, with the members, you get help with your portfolio. You get exit strategies. You get profit taking. And you also, there's also an opportunity, guys, to book one-on-one coaching sessions with me as well. We have fees for that. So check that out. And yeah, like and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.